the RBI governor and his very first press conference, where he did strike a conciliatory tone, whether it was with respect to the government or also other stakeholders. He did say that he's going to hold consultations with all stakeholders. Not just that, we also had the SEBI board meeting. That as well is something that we are going to be watching out for. Lots of important outcomes, whether it's with respect to broadening the number of companies eligible for the OFS, or even for that matter about the IL&FS default. It looks like they're probing rating agencies about them being able to spot stress in individual companies. I would also want to watch out for the entire side-pocketing bit rather, for mutual funds that they have come out with. However, like we said, and like we first flagged off, it's the new RBI governor, and he sounded a conciliatory note. He said that he's willing to uphold the autonomy of the RBI under the same breath. And this is all amid strained relations between the government and the central bank. The new RBI chief says he will speak to all stakeholders, including the government, on matters relating to economic growth.
Every institution, every institution has to have its professional integrity, maintain its professional autonomy. At the same time, every institution also must adhere to principles of accountability.
RBI as the 25th governor under unprecedented circumstances. If I may ask you a very frank and a candid and maybe a little blunt question, the relationship between the central government and the central bank has hit rock bottom. Will your priority be to first fix that relationship before some of the issues that you've listed out? The channels of communication seemingly are blocked.
No, I don't know about, what is blocked and whether the relationship is not, not good, or I won't like to go into that. But as I mentioned, that we have to have stakeholder consultation. We'll have to have consultation with everybody. Government is ultimately the government has an, government is not just a stakeholder, but I mean, the government of the day runs the economy, runs the country, and manages major policy decisions. So that there has to be free, fair, objective, and very frank discussion with between the government and the Reserve Bank of India. And I would like to believe that all issues, howsoever contentious, can be resolved through discussions.
Okay. First few words coming in from the new RBI Governor Shaktikanta, where he's striking a conciliatory note in building bridges with the government and saying that he would consult all stakeholders when it comes to matters of policy making.